Today, we are going to a beautiful place. In a beautiful village in Ampra. This beautiful place is located in Panalgama village, about 42 kilometers from Ampara city. Villagers living in this village come to this beautiful river for bathing. See how the villagers go to this waterway. I went ahead along the canal road. There is a naturally formed place like a pond, surrounded by stones. Which is more beautiful than this? I found it there. Slowly I went forward. See how many beautiful things the village has. I felt like I was in heaven on earth. I found that beautiful place. The villagers call it Galaruva. Wow, the water is very cold here. Bathed in fresh water after a long time. See how fresh water flows like a snake through the rocks. The mind feels very happy, and being here is like meditation. Villagers said that elephants pass here in the evening. So I continued to stay at this place for a long time with the aim of seeing elephants. But unfortunately, they did not come that day. I thought how mentally healing the few hours spent in a village are. After a few beautiful hours, I sadly left this village for the city. Subscribe to our Village Vibes channel to see beautiful videos like this. Let's meet again with a beautiful Dio in a beautiful